Welcome to English Online Practice. Test your knowledge with this English grammar quiz. Post your scores in the comments. Question 1. A book last night. A. Read. B. Reads. C. Reading. Question 2. She to the market every morning. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Gone. Question 3. If I would take the job. A. Was. B. Were. C. Am. Question 4. They already finished their project. A. Have. B. Has. C. Had. Question 5. The cake by my mother yesterday. A. Baked. B. Is baked. C. Was baked. Question 6. The train before we reached the station. A. Left. B. Had left. C. Has left. Question 7. The dog barking at night. A. Keep. B. Kept. C. Keeps. Question 8. He is than his brother. A. Tall. B. Taller. C. Tallest. Question 9. My homework before dinner. A. Will finish. B. Finished. C. Have finished. Question 10. The book is the table. A. In. B. At. C. On. Question 11. She for me when I arrived. A. Wait. B. Waited. C. Was waiting. Question 12. I will go to the park. It stops raining. A. Until. B. If. C. Unless. Question 13. He drives than his brother. A. Careful. B. Carefully. C. More carefully. Question 14. The movie was interesting than I expected. A. Most. B. More. C. Very. Question 15. The teacher explained it, then before. A. Clear. B. Clearer. C. More clearly. Question 16. If you study hard, you pass the test. A. Will. B. Would. C. Could. Question 17. My father a new car last month. A. Buys. B. Bought. C. Bring. Question 18. He speaks French. He is from Canada. A. So. B. Because. C. Though. Question 19. The sun in the east. A. Rise. B. Rises. C. Rising. Question 20. The child his homework yet. A. Doesn't finished. B. Hasn't finished. C. Didn't finish.